for an absolute dump truck. We've got our pre-workout, you already know. Literally billowing. Okay, I want to leave you some notes. You're back, girly. I'm giving you my full workout split. So many of you guys have been asking for another week of workouts, but I got some really weird looks in the gym last time I filmed my workouts every single day for a week. So not gonna lie, I was kind of scared to do another one. But because you know I love you so much, I'm gonna slap that for you in the face and go film in the gym again. All I ask in return is that you like, comment if you have a question, and subscribe. But this week we're starting a brand new program with the main goal of growing the biggest glutes you've ever seen in your life. We're gonna grow an absolute dump truck, and we want people to question if it's real. I mean, I know I've got bad genetics, but I just want a peach instead of a pancake. Is that too much to ask? But I'm going to show you proper workout programming to get us there. Let's get into this pre-workout. So grab a bowl, grab yourself some frozen fruit, defrosted, protein powder, ice, vegan, cereal of your choice, a little bit of Greek yogurt, honey if you like extra sweetness, a little bit of pink salt, mix it all together, and I promise you, this will give you the best pump of your entire life. I'm only giving you guys a go today. Like, we are not skipping. Grab yourself some electrolytes or your pre-workout of choice. We want to stay hydrated for our workouts. 2 scoops. For our first workout, we're training glutes and hamstrings, so you better be ready, bestie. Okay, let's go.
Ese cuerpito tiene ganas. Aquí niveles de niveles. Pero quien mide se llama. Yeah, si no te lo hacen como se ve. Llámame a las 3 de la mañana. Yeah. Se le vio todo perreándome en minifalda. La baby activa y su combo también. Yeah. Un par de gatas quieren gato quieren tabla. Y yo se lo hago también. Me encanta esa minifalda. Hay pa' quien te guarda. Sí, entonces pa' que lo tatuajes en la espalda. La más chimba tarda, la más chimba harta. Y lo que es más rico pues se come como tarta. Y loca por la mini y por el perreíto también. Más feliz que con Cristiano en el panini. Pa' que más no sea como retén. Aquí hay niveles de niveles. Pero quien mide se llama. Yeah, si no te lo hacen como se ve. Llámame a las 3 de la mañana. Ay, yeah. Se le vio todo perreándome en minifalda. La baby activa y su combo también. Un par de gatas quieren gatos quieren tabla. Me hace ojito y yo se lo hago también.
Muchachita.
Before I go shower for our post-workout cocktail, we have creatine. Let's go. And then we also have our greens. They honestly taste a lot better than they look. I've got the orange flavor of creatine and greens, so it mixes really well as well, which is quite a relief, honestly. I have this every single day, usually after my workout, but sometimes just whenever I remember to have it. And voila! I still got a few weird looks in the gym today, but not as many as I was expecting, so that is a win. And I'm feeling a bit more comfortable about tomorrow. It is day 2, and I'm gonna be completely real with you, girly. I do not want to go to the gym. Look at the state of that weather. The wind is literally billowing. I just know when I get there I'm gonna look like a drowned rat. I'm gonna be soaked through because my jacket's not that waterproof. But you know what? Even though motivation has literally left the chat, no one is gonna go to the gym for us. No one is gonna get that snatch waist if we're not in there putting in the work. So we're going to the gym. Do I want to get my butt out the door and go in the rain? No. But will I feel better after I've gone to the gym? Yes. And then I can come home and have a really nice hot shower. It's also hair wash day. I don't know if you can tell, the grease is building up and it's not a good look. Although if I go for like a slick back hairstyle, then it could mask how wet the rain's about to make it. Grab your bag, bestie. It's Operation Snatch Back.
Gostosa a mi lado, sabrosa y tan dulce como un mango. Una chica de Bahía con milagros, cantita bien caro. La baiela, brasilera canta a capela. Dime en portugués todo lo que quieras, yo te llego en cualquier manera. Semi-automatic, shoot my shot in burst until I had it. Pajama, she was cinematic. Speak to me in tongues like a fanatic. Yeah, she a fan of me. Gusta bien caro, en un Ferrari bien caro. Okay, me dañaste todo de mi mente.
We're back, bestie, and we're training quads and glutes. I'm talking Quadzilla meets Princess Peach. That is the goal. We've got our pre-workout, you already know. Not gonna lie, I'm still kind of feeling my legs from our last leg day, but does that mean we're gonna slack on this workout? No, it does not. So grab your electrolytes and pre-workout if that is your vibe, and let's go train legs because those glutes are not gonna grow themselves.
Taking away my breath when you tell me that you think it's hopeless. Turning away again, telling you that we can work this out, but you rather drop it. It's a flop, better to leave it right. Normally hard to pull the trigger, but you did it. Yeah, you shot. Accelerated the plot just to say I forgot about the pain and the struggles we went through. You got the chicken away. Promising nothing but better days. Now you're giving up all that we made. Too late to fix, you're telling me everything eventually fades. Easy for you to say that we have nothing. Easy for you to pray for something better next, to make me into another story of what could have been. It must be to say that we have nothing left, to pray for something better next, to make me into another story of what could have been. It must be. Tell me your time was real. How can you be so quick to deceive? Cause if it's not love I feel, then why am I hoping you're lying? I thought
Your post-workout meal is very important. Yes, obviously you've got your greens and your creatine, but when you're working out, you're depleting the glycogen stores in your muscles. But that means as soon as you're done working out, you need to get that food back in to replenish those glycogen stores. Ideally as soon as possible, but if you have to wait an hour before you get home, then that's also fine. As long as you're eating within 5 hours of your last meal before you worked out, then you should be good to go. So for post-workout, we want a mixture of carbs and protein, ideally simple or fast digesting carbs so that we can replenish those glycogen stores just that little bit faster. But for me, I tend to work out in the afternoon anyway, so when I get home, I just grab a quick snack, usually some fruit and a protein shake, and then I have dinner not long after that. I tend to avoid having too much fat in my pre and post workout meals just because it slows down digestion, so you're not going to be able to replenish those glycogen stores as quickly because your body is going to be digesting the food slower because of the fats. Cheers! Now don't come telling me that you can't hit your protein goal because having shakes like this literally took me 30 seconds to make, 30 seconds to drink, and I've already had like 25 grams of protein. And when you can buy 2 kilogram bags that literally keep me going for an entire month, you honestly have no excuses. And even if you're vegan, that was vegan. This was vegan protein powder. So I want to be hearing no more, I can't hit my protein because I literally just gave you the cheat code. You're welcome. And it actually tastes good. It is rest day, bestie, but that is not something to slack on because rest days are when your muscles are going to grow. That's when they recover and come back bigger and stronger so that we can hit it hard in tomorrow's workout, which is legs. Yay! I'm also filming a what I eat in a day, which is already up on my channel by the time that you're watching this, so you can check it out after this video. Bestie, I missed you. But for real, I hope you're well rested because since training a muscle group 3 times a week is most optimal for growth, we're training glutes and hamstrings again. Don't come for me, I'm not the one who made the rules. But if we want to get the most growth possible, we gotta put in the work. So grab your pre-workout meal. I have the usual concoction. And I know it's the weekend, but don't you quit on this workout plan now. Don't make me come to your house and drag you to the gym, because I will. Actually, I probably won't, but imagine I did. And of course, if you're not feeling it, then that's totally fine. Just don't go to the gym. But don't come running to me this time next year when you've not seen any progress. And that goes for your nutrition as well. Also, all of the fits in this week of workouts and pretty much all of my videos are from Gymshark, and you can use code Sophiereidfit to save your well-earned money. Because when you look good, you lift better, and I'll link all my outfits in the description. Also, if you use my code, I will literally love you forever. And we can be training in the gym. Okay, enough procrastinating. Let's go train legs.
Yeah, you know that I hate being alone, yeah. I take it one man, you know my 생각하는데 난 원래 질투하는데 you looking so fly again. 난 친구 사이 남아서 we better be better friends, oh no. We better be better friends. Oh, 이러면 되는데. Oh, 겁이 많아도 I'm taking all my chances, babe. I've been wondering 시간 되는지 5시간 차이 나도 you're my queen. I've been going on through my own, yeah. 문장 많은지 알고 싶어서, yeah. You've been calling, hitting on my line, babe. 이젠 잊으러 하기 싫어져. You always hit me on my line, babe.
I actually had to wait for a good 15 minutes to use one of the machines. And you know when it's the last exercise in your workout and you're kind of just standing there awkwardly because you could do another exercise, but you also can't because it's the last exercise in your workout? Yeah, that was me. But we move, and I will see you bright and early tomorrow. Good morning. We're having an early workout today because it's Sunday, and on Sundays I always like to work out before church. So it's 7 just now. I'll be at the gym for 8 and then church starts at 10:30. So quick little workout this morning. We're hitting upper body. I'm mostly back. So I've got my omega-3s and my multivitamins. I always have those first thing in the morning. Excuse me while I pour my water down myself. For pre-workout, I'm just gonna have my usual breakfast that I've already prepped. It's in the fridge and I will whip it out. If you've watched any of my Why in a Day videos, then you won't be surprised at what's coming. I'm also adding my creatine to my electrolytes just so that I don't forget. They're both orange flavors, so I assume it's gonna taste fine. I also never skip breakfast before I work out, even if I'm working out early in the morning, because I need the energy to be able to lift heavy, and not having that fuel is just a recipe for disaster.
Nah, I just can't do it.
I can't let go of you, no. It's too much, it's too much, it's just too much. I don't wanna hear a word, baby, no. Just can't let go of you. I don't wanna fall in love no more. It's just too much, it's just too much. No, I don't wanna hear a word no more. I'm done, but I just can't let go of you. Tell me this cannot be real. Suck up on straight to my feels. Broken trust that'll never heal, no, no. A love that just won't fade away. Promises that you would stay even at the end of days. My baby, no, no. Nobody hurt me like you do. No. Don't give me empty words if they ain't true. I don't wanna fall in love no more. It's just too much. It's just too much. No, I don't wanna hear a word no more. I'm done, but I just can't let go of you. No, I don't want none. No, I don't want none. No, I don't want.
Okay, I want to leave you some notes. 1, sleep. Sleep is important. 2, remember what I said about dragging you to the gym? Yeah, that. 3, Jesus loves you. And if you want to check out a full week of workouts with an entire walkthrough that's different to this one, check out this video next. See you there.